If you're a legal enthusiast, you won't want to miss this. The Supreme Court has been making waves with its recent decisions, and these rulings could have a profound impact on your everyday life. Whether you're a student of law, a professional in the field, or just a concerned citizen, understanding these changes is crucial. The Supreme Court's recent rulings could change the game for you. These decisions are not just legal jargon. They are the framework that shapes our society. From civil liberties to corporate law, the implications are vast and far-reaching. Let's dive in. First up, civil liberties. This is a cornerstone of our democracy, and the Supreme Court has been actively redefining what these liberties mean in today's context. The Supreme Court has been busy with cases on free speech and religious freedom. These are fundamental rights that affect how we live, work, and interact with each other. Recent rulings have tackled issues like hate speech, social media regulations, and the balance between religious freedom and anti-discrimination laws. These rulings define how you can express yourself and how much the government can intervene. For instance, decisions on social media platforms' responsibilities and the extent of free speech in digital spaces are setting new precedents. Next, let's talk corporate law. This area is crucial for both businesses and employees, affecting everything from workplace rights to corporate responsibilities. Recent decisions are changing the landscape for both employers and workers. Issues like workplace discrimination, employee benefits, and corporate accountability are being redefined. Think about gig economy workers. New rulings on their classification affect wages, benefits, and labor protections. Big stuff, right? These decisions could redefine what it means to be an employee versus an independent contractor, impacting millions of workers. And then there's constitutional interpretation. This is where the Supreme Court's role becomes even more critical as it interprets the Constitution to address contemporary issues. Cases about the Second Amendment and voting rights are redefining how your personal freedoms are protected. For example, recent rulings on gun control measures and voter ID laws are shaping the national debate on these contentious issues. Plus, rulings on state sovereignty versus federal power are reshaping our political landscape. These decisions determine the balance of power between state governments and the federal government, affecting everything from healthcare to education policies. These decisions aren't just headlines, they impact your privacy, your job, and even your vote. Understanding these rulings helps you navigate the complexities of your rights and responsibilities as a citizen. Staying informed helps you understand your rights and protections under the law. Knowledge is power, and being aware of these changes allows you to advocate for yourself and others more effectively. For more in-depth reviews, check out resources like Oyez or Scoutus blog. These platforms offer detailed analysis and updates on Supreme Court cases, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Stay curious, stay informed. Your Supreme Court, civil liberties, constitutional law, corporate law, your Supreme Court decisions, voting rights, free speech, workers' rights, judicial rulings, legal impact. Engage with these topics on social media to join the conversation and share your thoughts on these pivotal issues.